2017 Mazda 6. We're going to check the cabin filter today. It's going to be located behind the glove box. Your first step, open the glove box up and then disconnect the damper here. All you do is pull it towards you. It'll disconnect. It's a little clip. Then we're going to need to get the glove box past the dash here. These are the stoppers. Just push the glove box inward on both sides. And then you can lower the glove box down. It'll actually come off. The hinges are an open style hinge. The cabin filter is located in this compartment here. All we have to do is push this clip up and then the whole thing will come right out. And here's the filter. I'll leave a link down below for a new one. And this one definitely needs to be changed because it's pretty nasty looking. But when you get your new one, you just slip the whole thing in. It's going to come as this one big piece. And slide it in. And that's it.